Welcome back to another video, guys. So I am back in Colorado and super happy to be back here and have my car back and everything, but we're heading to the garage right now and we're gonna head to Bandimere Speedway today to do some roll racing. So we got Alex right here.
Hi.
So we're pretty excited for it. All right, we got the car back. Guys, I miss this car so much being gone. Being around all these other BMWs and everything, it's painful because you just want to go back to your car. So super excited to take this thing out on the drag strip and we're gonna see what we can put down for some roll racing. Guys, check out these mountains. Being in Florida for so long, it's like so flat and they have no mountains. So it's just, I don't know. I really do appreciate the mountains that we have here in Colorado. It's so beautiful out here. But Florida's pretty nice. I love my palm trees and beaches and everything. All right, guys, so we just got here and I was running like 20 minutes late and I was just thinking that everybody was gonna be in there racing, but just got here and it's like a parking lot full of cars. So nobody's actually in the event yet. So I'll show you guys how packed it is. See guys, check this out. We're like at the back of the line, but there's so many cars just piling in. And I don't know if it's gonna rain or not. It's like kind of like cloudy, but also sunny at the same time. So we'll see how that goes. There's Meg Rippins and his twin turbo GP Race Huracan. So that thing will be exciting to watch today, but we're finally getting in. It's been like an hour of waiting.
Show them that.
Then we got this Mustang with like a crowd splattered on it.
Looks like he hit a deer or something.
No, it's because Mustangs hit crowds, so that's just leftover blood. I think he just recently twin turboed his R8. This thing's gonna be super exciting to watch, especially with the rear bumper out. That just looks so sick. Okay guys, so after 3 hours, I'm finally in the drag strip. Unfortunately, I don't have a helmet and the helmet rental is fully sold out. So I'm on a wait list with like 20 people on it and I doubt that I'm gonna get a helmet. So I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna do. Hopefully they randomly get a helmet and I'm able to get it before anyone else. But my friend Tristan is here and he might have a helmet that I can borrow. So we'll see if it fits me or not. But yeah, it sucks. I waited so long to get in and now I just have to sit in my car and wait even longer.
Okay, update. It started raining.
It is dumping
like
rain,
it's
guys.
literally dumping rain. Like,
This couldn't have got any worse. We don't have a helmet. We don't have anything.
So we're gonna try to make the best out of it, but we're gonna go get food and then we're gonna come back. Okay, we're going back now.
Yeah, we just picked up some food, so we got some
We
dinner.
got Pokey and we are going back and it stopped raining and hopefully might get to helmet. So yeah. All
right guys, so we're finally getting ready to race. We're gonna be racing this twin turbo R8. So it's gonna be a really fun race. I've never raced a twin turbo V10 before, so obviously I don't think I'm gonna get him on this run. It's gonna be fun to play around with the car with that sort of power. Okay guys, so I did 2 runs already and we've got Alex in the helmet playing around with it. But so I'll read you guys my time. So we raced the twin turbo R8. Obviously we're not gonna beat it, but my time was 10.6, and I trapped out at 114. So the R8 was a 9.4 and trapped out at 137. So really good numbers on the R8. Yeah, it wasn't really that good of a run for me. I definitely could have done better. So on the second run, we raced Tristan in his single turbo 135. And I was able to trap at 117, and I got a 9.7 second run. So way better than the first run I did. Tristan did a 8.7 at 137. So yeah, definitely happy with my second run. You know, I'm so limited on my stock turbos that it makes me really want to upgrade them so I can really push the car to its full capabilities. So yeah, we're just gonna try to get another run in and try to do better. That is the ultimate flex right there in this McLaren. Oh my gosh. He just bought this thing and he's already taking it to the drag strip. But look at those doors right there that go up. That thing is just so beautiful. It's been like getting everybody's attention tonight. Check this out. So 74 degrees outside, and look at the engine temperature. Like, oh my gosh, sorry, it's kind of bumpy. Check out the engine temperature. It's still like super cold and everything. So the cooling system is crazy on this car because I just did like back-to-back runs, and I mean it's still below operating temperature. So you gotta love the cooling system they did on this S55. All right guys, so we just got back home. We got the car in the garage. So tons of fun. It's like 12 in the morning. Alex and I are so exhausted, so we're ready to go to bed. But I thought I'd just show you guys the last two runs I made. So I had a run against this Evo. He was pretty quick. I ran a 9.9 second and trapped that at 116. The Evo did 9.9 and trapped it at 114. That run was bad because I was holding it in second gear using anti-lag, and literally last minute it shifted into third, so I like just boggled out on the launch of that run. But I did my last run and I got a really good time. So I raced this, I think it was like a supercharged Camaro, and I did a 9.4 and I trapped out at 119, so almost trapped out at 120, which was my goal for tonight. The Camaro did a 8.9 at 135. He was definitely really quick, but super happy to end the night with a 9.4, trapping at almost 120. So yeah, I mean, that's really good for being stock turbos on a stage 1 tune off the shelf. So just wait until we upgrade the turbos and really start making power out of this thing. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. We're gonna close up the garage and go to bed. So make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.